The pen kit here. It does not have any brass tubes in it. I wonder where they are. Lots of potential. No brass tubes. Is that me? That might be them. What have I got here? Stabilized, spalted beech, I think. Spalted something, but yes, it is stabilized. I think it's beech. Stabilized beech. Anyway, let's turn a pen. I think it's a fountain pen. There you go. JB fountain pen. Of course, from Timber Bits. Shh. I don't know when I put these tubes in. Must have been quite a long while ago. But I am in production mode for making some pens. I had an order to fill, which have gone to Hong Kong. So I have my mandrel already on the lathe. So, yep. We're making a pen today. Oh, it's so pretty. You know, I started wood turning with pens. Started this YouTube channel with pens. And I haven't done a pen in a while. So, I've made a pen. Anyway, that's me done for another week. Stay awesome. Remember to be awesome. Because guess what? You are awesome. Stay safe, everyone. See ya. I'm really happy with that. Oh, if you're interested, this will be available in my online shop, which is not Etsy. I've moved away from Etsy. I have my own domain now, and most of my products will be there if I do not decide to keep them. Anyway, the link will be in the description below. Follow it if you want this pen. There's a few others on there. There's also some other stuff. Most of the things you'll see me making on the channel, you'll be able to purchase on my website. So go and check it out. Anyway, like I said, that's me done for another week. I will see you all very soon. Bye.